Hello everyone, we're going to be doing homework number 11, number 3. Now this says the exact same thing as number 2 and have the exact same values as number 2. So a lot of this information is going to be carried over. So we're just going to focus down here, compute the standard deviation of the differences. So let's go do that. So number 3, we're basically trying to find S. Now S is going to be the square root of x1 minus x2 minus d squared divided by n minus 1. Now we need the x1 minus x2 data set, and we need d. So we did that in homework number 2. We both got d and x1 minus x2. So you want to figure it out how we got that, please go watch that video. And with that out of the way, we got a d of equals to negative 1.43. And we have a x1 minus x2 data set of negative 2.6, negative 0.2, negative 1.5, negative 0.7, negative 1.7, negative 1.5, negative 1.8. And with that, we're going to be using this, and this. So let's begin. So like I said, we're going to be using this one. So we're going to break this into little parts. So first thing we're going to do is x1 minus x2 minus d. So we got x1 minus x2, and we got a d. So shown here, we're going to subtract them, negative 2.6 minus negative 1.43, and we'll do that for each and every one of them. And you should get the values of these guys, negative 1.17, 1.23, negative 0.07, 0.73, negative 0.27, negative 0.07, and negative 0.37. Now the next step we're going to do is we're going to square that. As you can see, we have negatives, and we don't want that. So here it is again, just a step. And we're going to get 1.3689, 1.5129, 0.0049, 0.5329, 0.0729, 0.0049, and 0.1369. And with that, here's all the work. There we go. And now we got this. So now we're going to do one more step, which is going to be adding all these guys up, square rooting it, and divided by n minus 1. So when you add up all of these numbers, you should get 3.6343. Now don't forget, we also got to square root it and divide it by n minus 1. Now, again, it is the same exact thing as number 2, so our sample is the same. We have 7. So 7 minus 1 will be 6. So this is going to be the square root of 3.6343 divided by 6. Now once we do that in its entirety, we're going to have an S of 0.77827 with some more numbers behind it represented by dots. Now on the homework, we're going to have to round to 2 decimal places. So we're going to do that to our answer. We have an S equals 0.78, which is C. Alrighty, and here's all the work on one little full page. Have a good day.